Alright, I know this video is gonna piss some people off, but let's get it on. So, this is for the people who decide to move country. Now, in one of my earlier videos, I mentioned that someone was in a relationship and their partner got a job overseas, so they follow them. And I said that was a big mistake, because what you're saying is you have nothing going on in this country while you can afford to up sticks and just leave and follow someone else's dream. And when things don't work out, which I'm not going to say it's inevitable, but more than likely it will not work out, you're going to come back and you're going to start from scratch, right? But this isn't for the people who are followers. You're a different set of people, but this is for the people who they're not going abroad to follow anyone else. They're just leaving the country to go somewhere else because they think they need a break. Listen, you don't need no break. What, are you working 80 hours a week? There's some people who work 9 to 5. Oh, things are just, I think things are just, I'm just a bit down and depressed. I need a break. You don't need no break. You're not working 80 hours a week. You're not working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You're not doing that. You're just doing a plain boring Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 job. You don't need no break, right? And there are some people who they think if they go abroad to another country like America, their life is going to be so much different. They watch stupid programs like Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta, or the Hollywood version and think, when I go out there, I'll live a lifestyle just like that. Or they watch Chris Brown, or they watch ATL, and they think when they go to those places, their life's going to be like, your life isn't going to be any different. You are the problem. Your life is boring. If you move to America, nothing great is going to really come from that. Unless you have a job planned out there. Now, if you have a job planned in America, for example, then yeah, maybe go out there. But don't just up sticks and leave the country because you think your life is going to be better. Listen, I don't know about people who are watching this who are outside of London, because I know outside of London there's nothing really much going on. But this is for the people who are definitely based in London, right? If you're in London and you feel as if nothing's going on, you're the problem. Because London is the land of opportunity. There's so much to do in London. If you are bored at any time, or if you feel as if you go through patches where your life isn't progressing or you're not doing nothing, it's your fault. Because there's so much opportunity, so much to do. Why do you think you've got so much people from outside of the country trying to come in to London? Because there's work opportunities, there's things to do. Your life isn't going to be any better if you go to America. You are the problem. If you go to America, you might live the high life for about 2 or 3 weeks and you'll go back to square one. Listen, living in America is no different to living in London or, well, let's say London, because I don't know about other parts of the UK. There's no different to living in London, right? You are the problem. You are not doing anything in your life. You have got nothing going on for you. So you think going abroad is going to make a difference. It's not going to make no difference. You need to sort out your problem. And another reason why a lot of people move abroad is because they're single and they can't find anyone. Because I guarantee you, if they got a job that was paying them a 6-figure salary, they was happily married, and they was driving a Maserati, they wouldn't go nowhere. The people who move abroad usually are people who are single. Now think to yourself, anyone that you know personally, could be your mum, could be your sister, could be you, could be your brother, could be anyone, auntie, uncle, anyone that's moved abroad because they just need to get away, they need a break. What's the reason for them moving away? I guarantee you, if you ask yourself, was that person single at that time? It's probably yes. So if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.